Good morning, guys. It is currently December 3rd, and I just wanted to go ahead and do this unboxing. I ordered some stuff off of Amazon. I'm so excited. It came last night, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it and look in the bed. Say good morning. We just woke up, you guys, hence why I'm in my robe, but let's go to open it. Okay, you guys, my box is here. So I ordered 3 things off of Amazon, and first, obviously, I got my lightning earbuds. I'm super excited because with my phone, I only got one phone case. Can I talk? One ear plug or whatever. And of course, I'm not gonna watch videos or be on phone calls with one earbud. So I needed to order some other ones, y'all. So here are these right here, the lightning earbuds. It comes with 2 in it, and what I like is these are not just the ones separate. It does have like a plug with them, or like the little cord, because I lose them easily if they're not connected to something. So I got the ones that have like the little lightning cable that you plug into the phone. I do have the iPhone 7 Plus, so I'm so excited for that. Opened the headphones so you guys could get a little bit more like idea of how it looks in person. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So excited for my package, like you guys didn't even understand. But here's the headphones, and like I said, I do like the headphones that have the wire. They did have wireless ones, y'all, but I guarantee you if I had wireless headphones, I would lose it. There's no way that I already don't know where the one I had is. I don't even know where it's at. But yeah, it does have the volume control up and down. There's up and down control of the mic. And then, like I said, I don't need no connector, y'all. Is right here. Y'all see that? Because I have the iPhone 7 Plus, and it comes with the connector. Just plug it into my phone. Bam, I'm listening to music. So, yay, because late at night when Anthony and Neve is sleeping, sometimes I want to watch YouTube or edit or anything like that. And I didn't have any headphones for my phone to listen to, so I'll have to put the volume on my laptop like super, super low. But now I have my headphones, so I'm so excited. But yeah, yay. Second, you guys know, I got glass screen protectors. The one on my phone, I barely got this one. I freaking got it from the 99 cent store, so you guys know it's not gonna last. And it already cracked, so I got, I think this comes with 3 in this. This is the glass screen protector from Alun. Oop, so we'll see. I'm already breaking it. Okay, I opened it up and I'm about to put my new screen protector on, you guys. I'm so excited. My phone. And last but not least, y'all, I got a camera. Oh my gosh. This is my first ever camera that I've purchased, like brand new online. I've never bought a camera before. All my other cameras I've had in the past have been used, and this one's brand new. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so here's it. I just opened the box. It has the wall charger right here, the lanyard, which is really cool, the little lanyard, a portable battery, the Lion battery? Leave it, baby. What is this? Oh, the little thing for the lens. You guys, I'm new to cameras. I gotta figure out how to put that on. And the USB cable. Into the camera here, it's called the digital camera. Here's a little user manual. I'm probably going to be going through this in a second before I turn it on, but I just want to show you guys that's all that comes in the box. So this is called the digital camera off of Amazon, and what I really wanted this is that it has the flip up screen, so when I'm vlogging I can see myself, because you guys know I've been filming with my phone for like the past couple years. I did upgrade phones, but I just think a camera would be more better for YouTube than using my phone. So I finally made the big leap of faith and got a camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the back of the screen works. So this is how you just flip the screen up. I'm doing it with the one hand, so that's how the back looks right here. And then when I'm vlogging, I can see myself like this. I know this is like really similar to the G7X, which everybody has. But your girl, you know, I can't afford that, y'all. I've been working really hard, so I was able to buy myself this camera. Y'all doing Postmates, so if y'all want to start that Postmate job, go ahead and click the link in my bio, you guys. It's been really working well for me, and I was able to buy this camera from working with Postmates. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn it on. I don't know if it's charged, so you guys can see the quality and everything, but y'all, I'm so excited. excited. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh yeah, I just turned it on. Wait, I want to turn it off. Oh, it says goodbye. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, I press it. It says welcome on the screen, and it's a 3.0 inch screen, and as you guys can see, this is how I film with my phone. This is so cool. So that is me recording, and I'm gonna flip the screen down so you guys can see from the back, and that's me recording on the camera. As you guys can see, the quality is like really good. I'm pleasantly surprised because you know a lot of stuff y'all get off Amazon is not the best. You guys, I'm really excited for this. Like, y'all don't understand how long I've wanted a camera like this, and I'm just so happy I was able to get it finally. So yeah, that's gonna be it for my unbox. I kind of just want to show you guys what was in my box. I just want to do a little just like review about this. If you guys want like a more depth review, let me know. But you guys, I literally just took it out the box today. I don't know much about cameras or about this one. I just saw I had the flip screen and I really wanted it. So yeah, and you guys can see the screen a little bit more. Try to zoom in here. The battery, I just put the Lion battery in, and it's like halfway right now, and has all this stuff. Oh, I'm gonna have to read the, sorry for my nails, y'all. I'm gonna have to read the user manual because there's a lot of stuff on the screen I do not understand. Ooh, focus. Yeah, just all this different stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play around with this, try to figure out, look at Nevaeh. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys like this little Cyber Monday unboxing thing like that. Sorry guys, I would not be doing Vlogmas because I don't want to, oh child, how I look this morning. But anyways, I do not want to make that decision and just tell you guys I'm doing Vlogmas when I'm really not going to be doing it. So you guys will see me probably post weekly. I'll still be posting weekly. So happy Vlogmas to everybody that's doing it. Happy Vlogmas. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what type of videos you would like to see on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Say bye.